So I'm going to do a load check. I've got these wires hooked up here, so I've got a 5 kilowatt heater there on the elements, and that's about a 2.2 kilowatt heater. I've got another 2.2 kilowatt heater on the deck. It's going to be noisy, so that's why I say the wordings now. So I'm going to test this out. So it's about a 10 kilowatt load. Hope the meter is going to perform that, but the bottom meter is dodgy. That is a meter which works correctly, and I got another new meter, or pretty new meter, which is on 0. So we'll see how that's going to perform. I'm going to fire up the device. As I'm also still experimenting with the best fuel line setup, I noticed in the return fuel line, that's the clear one, if that's above the return line from the engine, it seems to shut itself down for some reason. So this is a temporary, that loop will go, but at least there's a gravity feed from there to the inlet, so we'll see what happens. Accumulators are connected up. I'll get the CFA starter in action shortly. Okay, it should be all good. Start. that runs well. Bloody noisy at the moment, no exhaust muffler yet. Let's feel this. Oh, lukewarm, perfect. That's a good workout for the lister. There's about 9 to 10 kilowatt load on there at the moment. And I just measured the 2 marks on the fuel tank. Between those 2 marks, 2 kilowatt hours was burned away. So we're going to check that. I'll top that up with diesel and see how much liters per kilowatt hour the consumption is. Cool.